back to my channel. Okay, so it's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of ponytails. It's already hot out here in California, you guys. You all know how our weather is. But a lot of ponytails, a lot of cornrowing. That's what's gonna be the summer looks. Okay, so but me, I'm gonna do a lot of ponytails because cornrowing this, it doesn't last long, and then it just be looking funny. Sometimes when I cornrow my own hair, but we're gonna try a few times. But I went to the store and found me a ponytail drawstring with that I kind of really like. You know what I mean? So, and this is it says it's a Zuri. It's by the brand Zuri. It says Miss V drawstring, and then this is Wonder Curl, Miss V Wonder Curl, and this is in the color 1B. I mean 1. I should have gotten 1B or 2 maybe because of my hair color. Maybe a 2, I think. So it was $69.99, but it was on $16.99. My bad. What is going on? $16.99, but it was on sale. I think I got it for about like $11 or so. I don't remember exactly, but it was way cheaper. Of course, you know, being able to get styles out of, you know, hair for like $12.99. That's the goal, girl, okay? Because most of the time my hair is not going to be up in this. My hair is going to be free because of the heat. And then when I want to go out, use my ponytails, do a quick look. You know how it is. So, you know, release the drawstring, the string here, and then it opens really far. It opens even wider, okay? But that's it. I think that's it. It has a comb here. It has a comb at the bottom here. And this is what it looks like. So, yeah, I was expecting something much bigger, girls. You know, guys, I'm always expecting bigger hair for whatever reason. Look at the picture. Expecting much bigger, you know, but it's not. So, well, this is it. So, I need to come up with a style that is going to look cute with this. Okay, we'll see. So I've washed my hair, conditioned it. I have a little bit of a leave-in conditioner in. I am going to blow dry my hair, and then maybe I'll straighten it just to be able to get my cornrows, because my hair, when I cornrow it myself, it just don't look right. So we might have to do that. But you need some hair. You need some braiding hair for this look as well. You know. Conditioning jam, edge control, you need a rat tail comb and a pair of scissors to cut that braiding hair in half. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and straighten, and I will be back. Okay guys, so I blow dried my hair a little bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to section it out with the part I'm going to braid, which is going to be mostly the front. So I'm going to section front and back. So in braiding my cornrows, I kind of straighten my hair a little bit more, guys, because as you can see, my natural hair to braid cornrows never looks cute, honey. Okay, so this, even when I blow dry it, so this time I went in and with my Time-O and straightened my hair. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to braid. Of course, I got my hair, my braiding hair here, synthetic fiber, and I just cut it into two, like so. This is one hole, and I cut it into two, make it short because we're only braiding this front. So let's get going here. So of course I need my rat tail comb to pat the hair. Now if I look away, I'm looking at my mirror. I'm gonna pat the hair here. Okay guys, so instead of starting at the side, I decided to start in the middle and just create kind of like a landmark or that cornrow that I'm going to braid around. And I use some conditioning gel to help get those lines to be clean, because you know my root is not that straight. And so I did fit in cornrows, and I used about 4 pieces for each cornrow, and I just added it to the cornrow as I braided. So I braided my first cornrow and then braided the others around it. Okay, so after braiding the middle cornrow, I started on the side and braided up. You want to start a braid up into a pony, okay? Because that ponytail is going to be concentrated at the top. So we have braided most of our cornrows in the front, and this is the last one. Again, we use 4 to 5 pieces for each cornrow, 5 for the side cornrows and 4 for the middle cornrows. And so we'll just finish up and create a ponytail. Okay girls, so we have completed our cornrows here in the front. This is what it looks like. As per the back, I didn't do much to it since our ponytail is going to be covering all this back. I separated in the middle and braided three on each side, so a total of 6 in this back. And I'm just going to braid it up into one braid and form our ponytail with the extension from the front here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. As per the back, you could do whatever you want with it. You don't have to do single braids, okay guys? So what I did was joined all the corners in the front, the hair braided into one. The back, you already know, is braided like so. So I'm gonna go in with my little ponytailer. I'm gonna go in with the ponytailer here, take that extra hair off, and just hold it into one and form like a quick bind. Very quickly here. So this is what everything looks like. I'm not really worried about the back, because the back is going to be covered by the hair. So the hair, this is what it looks like right now. And I kind of want it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go in with my Hawaiian Silky here. Put a little bit in my hand. And just go over the curls, separate the curls a little bit. I'm going to kind of just open the curls like so, just to why I put oil on it at the same time. Like this big one, I'm going to open that up just to give it more volume. So I'm going to finish doing that and I will be back. Usually when you open or separate the curls, the hair doesn't, you can't use the hair for too long, and I'm okay with it. It was just only about $11 again because it was on sale. Original price was $16.99, and if I can use it for 2 weeks, that's enough. That's enough. If I get 2 weeks out of it, it's enough. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll be back. All right, so I did the best I could. Open it up a little bit. It's not perfect. Again, like I said, when you do this, it probably won't, the ponytail probably won't last long. The hair itself won't last long. I use a little bit of my Wick Shine. It's all free Wick Shine. Sprayed on it. This is the front, back with the drawstring here. In applying your ponytail, make sure you have the cap sitting on the ponytail you created. Secure the combs and draw that string in the back to secure it. So this is my final look, girls. So this is what we're working with today for my little wine tasting event with a friend of mine. And this is what the back looks like. Hopefully the back looks presentable. Hopefully the back is giving. I haven't taken a look at it, but where is my mirror so I can look at the back? Okay, but anyway, this is how you look good without spending too much money. Again, this hair was about $11.99 at the most because it was on sale. $16.99, still $17 for regular price. Still, it's very cheap, to look this good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Join this family, okay, girls? Bye. Okay, so I was feeling myself a little bit after this hairstyle. You know how you do when you look good or feel good. You know how you do.